The eyedropper tool. So the eyedropper tool is quite useful. I like it. I think it worked quite well. So you can see this is similar to the Magic Wand tool here. So it's going to take an average color sampling. So if we just have this on all layers, so we've got this image here in our folder here. We've got two images of a jungle and a desert. So if you just click and hold and move it around, you can see it's choosing all the different colors of all the different, from the image. If you really want a specific color, so if you go to your zoom here and you go, I really like that orange, let's say, you'll get as specific as you can. Or if you go 100 by 100, it'll choose an average color, which is sort of a collection of all the oranges mixed together. But yeah, it's not going to do loads of difference in here because this is quite a similar color. But if you had lots of colors together, it might choose sort of an average. So yeah, this is probably a better area here actually, in that with the eyedropper tool, if you choose this point here or that point there, it's quite a light green. But if you chose a 31 by 31 and you chose that light area again, it goes much darker, because even though that tiny area that I clicked on was light green, this general area is quite dark. So point sample, it's a light green. You can see that's changed there, and it changed up to a light green. Or if we went 30 by 30, which pick a larger area, it's gone much darker because it's choosing an average. If for whatever reason you're clicking on this image and it's not showing you any orange in your colors, it's because you've not got all layers selected or current layer. If you've got current and below, so if let's say you had jungle layer selected and you had current layer, so you can see you can choose all the greens and all the blues that I want here, but as soon as I move over, the color choosing dies. There's no color selection. It's because it's, as far as it's concerned, there is no layer here. It's got nothing to choose from because it's only choosing current layer. But if you click, so same goes for this, you get all the oranges you could want and all the nice blues, and then as soon as you move into greens, it stops because of current layer, because it's acting as if that layer doesn't exist. So you can go current and below, which is blues and greens, or all layers. So you can make your selections. Yeah, so that's a basic intro to the eyedropper tool.